Here we go. I want to do this in less than 10 minutes because I only got 10 minutes left on this memory card. If you're watching this video, you want to know how to arrange a song on the new 3.5 firmware update by Akai Pro for the Akai Force. Are you Irish? Let's get right into it. To arrange on the Akai Force, it's quite simple. So you hit menu and you click on this button here. It says Arranger, or it just says Arrange actually. And when we're in this screen, it's by default going to start off as a loop. You want to toggle that and make sure that loop is turned off. So we've turned that off, and there's already something in here right now on the launch matrix, and essentially we could just clear that out, or you can record over it. I'm just going to come in here and grab it and just get rid of it. I believe I don't need it. Shift, cut. I held shift and then a new function popped up. By the way, I don't know if you're understanding the trend amongst Akai Pro hardware and OS. You hold shift and you get a lot more options. So let's get right to it. Let's keep going. Let's keep moving fast. Make sure that coffee's working. All we really need to do is decide how we want to start this song. Let me make sure we have sound in here, because we don't. I want to make sure we turn it up loud because it's daytime. Okay. Risky moves happening above hardware with coffee. But the force is strong. The force is strong. Are we going to be able to do this in 10 minutes on this memory card? I don't know. I really don't know. You might run out. But we have you with us, don't we? We'll be fine. Okay, so really quickly. Here we go. We got sound now. It's probably going to click out in a second. But let's just listen to the groove that we established last night. This is one of those occasions where it always sounds better the night before. Well, hey, maybe it's something that an arrangement can fix. Or you might have to go back and actually fix the song. Because, hey, buddy, that sounded a little sloppy. Sounded a little bad. You woke up and it didn't sound like you thought it did. It didn't sound like you left it. It's pretty bad. Oh, wait. We're not going to talk negative about ourselves. We're going to build this up. Because if I remember correctly, this piano is incredible. And wait a second, there's nothing playing right there. Well, I don't know here it's playing. Is there no piano there? What sound is there? You played just fine before. Aha! Didn't I tell you the speakers are about to go out? There's this auto off mode. So let's get in the groove here. We're going to start with just the piano. And then eventually we'll add this. And then we'll bring in this. And then we're going to take away this. Am I bringing this? You gotta find the right guitar part. Alright, we're just going to have fun. We're going to have fun because that's what arranging is all about. So straight to it. Straight to it. This is the part where we get straight to it. Menu. Arrange. This is a key moment here in this demonstration. This is a key moment. You want to hold the record button and you want to tap this function that just popped up right here. It says to arrangement. To arrangement. Boom. Okay? Now you're recording to arrangement, and now we can stop everything. And I believe this thing is so gangster, we can just trigger that piano and it's going to start with just the piano. And as you see here, the piano is recording. Let's do something different. I want to try something. And yeah, I like that. Brought another guitar in. Take the keys out. With the bass. Except I think it's the other bass part that I like more. This one. Another guitar. Turn that metronome off just because it's getting annoying to me. And I'm just working through these clip stop functions here and just stopping stuff when I want to stop it. In the track. Thank you so much for watching this. I hope you enjoyed this. If you want to end the song, it's quite simple. Really, all you got to do is just hit this button. Stop all. And of course, you could come through here and make some minor adjustments, like that ending per se. Whoop. All tracks to arrangements. You